Here the A side. You have to disconnect this one and put the new one. Here guys, my new part already arrived here. Let's take a look at this one. You have to mount the same here. This is already take the part. You know how to fix it, and you take all the connection already, and the new one. Let me show you the new one. Here the new one already arrived. Before you fix it, you have to order already the new one arrived. Okay, here's the new one. Let me put on and to check it is a work or not. Here I already put the new one here. See, I already put the new one, and let's see it's a work or not. Let's plug the electricity. Let's check out the front. Turn it on. See, it's a work clearly. See, it's a work everything right. Okay, it's a working now. If you don't know how to do, follow my Facebook page, and it's working now. Okay, and here, and we put back everything. Isn't the job isn't done. If you have problem, Samsung part to replace the part, 5 minutes to fix it. If you you have a problem the same, please follow and to subscribe my YouTube channel. The job is very done. Great. Have a great day, everyone. See you next time.